ROC stands for Regenerative Orthopedic Center, and today we are at the Tualatin location to speak with one of its board-certified orthopedic surgeons. We are with Dr. John Coen, a board-certified orthopedic surgeon here at ROC. What is your specialty here at ROC?
Hip and knee reconstruction or joint replacement surgery.
You're known for the Jiffy Knee procedure. What is that?
It is a different surgical approach to perform a total knee replacement in a way that allows the patient to recover more quickly, especially their strength.
You've been doing this for a long time. How have you seen the technology change over the years?
It's really remarkable. We have 2 generations improved the surgical instruments and implants. The anesthesia and pain management techniques are far better. The recovery is more rapid. I've seen us go from 3 days in the hospital and 2 weeks of rehab to outpatient joint replacement surgery.
And you have done literally thousands of these procedures.
Yes, probably in excess of 4,000 hips and probably close to 5,000 knee replacements.
If someone is facing the need for surgery, why should they choose ROC?
I think we're uniquely suited to provide them with expertise in any part of their body that ails them. We have guys that do great work with shoulders. We have excellence in elbow and wrist and hand work. We have people that do great work with hips, knees, foot and ankle surgery. If there's something that ails you orthopedically, we can take care of it.
And the slogan here is saving lifestyles. That's so great because you're keeping people on their feet longer.
I tell my patients, we're here to restore what you pursue with passion. We want you to be able to do that. And for me, if it's hip arthritis or knee arthritis that's doing it to you, we should be able to get you back to virtually all the things that you're passionate about.
To learn more about orthopedic care and recovery at Regenerative Orthopedic Center, visit rocpdx.com.